大家好. Welcome back to Naiwing Chinese. I'm Mia. This is a lesson for beginners. Today, I want to teach you 3 Hanzi with the radical 火, which means fire. And these 3 characters all mean cooking methods. So you will find them on menus in Chinese restaurants. So they're very useful. And today our guest is Honkai Star Rail's March 7th. 3月7. 你好, 3月7. Alright, so let's start lesson. And I'm gonna showcase you these 3 Hanzi with Lay's new 2024 flavors. 3 new flavors, and these flavors are all actually traditional Chinese dishes. Do you know them? Alright, let's first find the shelves with these potato chips. Alright, so by the way, these 3 Hanzi all follow the same rule information. They are called 形声字, pictophonetic Hanzi. So half of the Hanzi will tell you the meaning, and half of the Hanzi will tell you the sound of it. Alright, so these are our new flavors. What are they, and what are our Hanzi Chinese characters? Let's check it out. Alright, first one, 脆皮烤乳猪. Right, the third Hanzi here, 烤, it's with the fire radical. So looking at the formation of it, right, so 火, fire, here shows the meaning, right, it's a cooking method with fire. And the right side, 烤, of word 考试, right, shows the pronunciation. Together, pronunciation is also 烤, and the meaning is toast, bake, or roast. So here, 烤乳猪, roasted suckling pig. 烤乳猪, a Chinese dish. We have some other dishes with 烤, for example, 北京烤鸭, Beijing roasted duck, very famous Chinese dish. Also, 烤鸡, roasted chicken, 烤鱼, roasted fish. Alright, moving on to the second one. This flavor is called 红烧狮子头. So, 狮子头literally means lion's head, but it has nothing to do with lions. Looking at the picture on the top left corner, it's a giant meatball. We call it 狮子头, lion's head. Interesting. Alright, so here the Hanzi with the fire radical is the second one. 烧. 烧 has several meanings, and here 红烧, 红 means red, right? 红烧 means red braised, literally. So it means like braising with soy sauce mainly. So it's a flavor, compound flavor with soy sauce and some Chinese spices, and also rock candy. So together, the flavor is soy sauce based, savory and with a little bit of sweetness, and it's not spicy. So if you cannot handle spicy food, and if you're ordering in Chinese restaurants, you can go to 红烧 dishes. We have 红烧肉, red braised pork belly, that's also a famous one. 红烧排骨, 红烧鱼. Alright, and the next one, 爆汁惠明虾. Here, the third 汉字 is with the fire radical. 惠has two meanings. So here, 惠明虾明虾shrimps. 爆汁 abalone sauce. So 惠 here means to braise. First, to stir fry the food, then add some water to let it simmer, then add some potato starch to make the sauce thicken. That kind of way of cooking is called 烩. Sometimes you will see word like 烩饭 or 烩面. In that case, 烩 means like a mix-up, a mashup of several ingredients. So 烩饭 means rice with several veggies and meat, gravy, all cooked together. That's our 烩 cooking method. Alright, that's our 3 汉字 with the radical fire, 火. 3月7, what's your favorite cooking way out of these 3? 红烧, right? So next time when you're visiting 仙州罗浮, you gotta try some dishes with 红烧 flavor. This is Naiwing Chinese. I'm Mia. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and if you have time, why not check out some other videos of mine? I'll see you soon in the next episode. Bye bye. 再见啦。